Grabe, sobrang OA ng init today. Gusto ko pumunta ng mall at bumili ng refreshing drinks. At syempre, niyaya ko din ng mom and anak ko na sumama. Si hubby naman, pinasunod ko na lang after work niya at niyaya ko din ang isang friend ko. The more, the merrier. Nag-prepare na kami agad and now on the way na kami sa mall. After a few minutes, we hear at Figaro Coffee, Shangri-La Plaza branch. Sakto dumating na din ng friend ko na si Jana and after ilang minutes, dumating na din si hubby. So, now-order na kami at grabe, dami talagang choices of refreshing drinks and food dito sa Figaro Coffee. And finally, nandito ng orders namin. I ordered for me and Aiden the grilled ham and cheese sandwich plus arrabbiata pasta, then triple chocolate cacao frap, and salted caramel cookie crumble frap. My mom ordered sukiyaki beef tapa and the London juice. Hubby ordered braised pork adobo belly and San Francisco smoothie. Jana ordered grilled chicken pesto focaccia sandwich and pasta alla Carlo and matcha green tea frap. Ang sarap talaga ng food and drinks nila, lalo na mga to. The salted caramel cookie crumble has sweet indulgent flavor and is described as a dessert drink. Caramel heavy with cookie bits. Highly recommend this. Triple chocolate cacao frap, very chocolatey and creamy, basically like a milkshake with ice which kids usually love. San Francisco smoothie, a healthy smoothie vibe, so light, refreshing, and not too sweet. Dalandan, a refreshing and natural tasting, usually a good non-coffee option if you want something light. The matcha green tea frap, it's a creamy texture, no bitterness, and refreshing. Works well if you're new to matcha. Our perfect summer escape. Maganda if kasama ang family or barkada.